Welcome back. So still on matrices and determinants. Now we are going to matrix multiplication. Matrix multiplication. So when you are given a matrix, when you are given matrices and you are told to multiply them, how do you go about it? How do you go about it? Now, example. Given that we have a matrix A as 1 minus 2 1 0 1 2 0 1 0 1 3 2. Pardon me. 1 minus 2 1 0 1 0 1 3 2. And matrix B as what? 2 0 1 minus 1 3 2 2 0 3. Show that AB, when you see this sign, what does it mean? It means it's not equals to, right? Show that AB is not equals to what? BA. So I'll do for AB while you try for BA. So when they say I should look for matrix, when they say I should show that AB is not equals to BA, on a norm, so you are supposed to do, you have to look for AB and also look for BA, and the answer must not be the same. Do you understand? So when they say you should show that, they say it is not equals to. If they say it is equals to, meaning that if they put it and say AB is equals to BA, meaning that when you do for AB and you do for BA, the answer must be the same, right? So that one is when it is equals to each other. But this one, they say I should show that it is not equals to each other. So I'll do for AB while you do for BA. Do you understand? So it is very, very simple, but you have to be very, very careful when you are solving matrix. You have to solve matrix when you are under no pressure. Do you understand? So when you get to the exam hall and you are told to, and you look at your exam question, you examine your exam question, and you see that matrices is there, and you feel like you understand matrix, I will advise you to go for matrix first, because you don't have to solve matrix at the dying minute. Maybe when they say 5 minutes more or 10 minutes more, and you now start solving matrix, you might get lost somewhere. Shey you understand? And once you make mistake from the beginning, just know your answer will be wrong. And when your lecturer want to mark it, they look at the final answer. Once your final answer does not correspond to what they have on the marking scheme, then definitely they know you've made mistake somewhere, and they miss everything for you. So you see that all the stress going through solving matrices, it is in vain. So please, you have to be very, very careful and solve matrix when you don't have any pressure. Now, solution. I'm going for AB. Let me look for matrix AB. When they say matrix AB, meaning I'll write A before B, right? If you are doing for BA, that is, you write matrix B first before A. So matrix A is 1 minus 2 1 0 1 0 1 3 2. Then matrix B is what? 2 0 1 minus 1 3 2 2 0 3. And please take note of something again. Matrix multiplication can be done even when both matrices are not having the same number of rows and column. I can have 3 by 3 here and have 2 by 2 here. Matrix multiplication will go. You understand? I can have 3 by 2 here and you understand? So it does not necessarily mean they have the same equal number of rows and column. But addition and subtraction of matrices, they must have the same number of rows and column. If it is 2 by 2, it must be 2 by 2 plus 2 by 2, or 2 by 2 minus 2 by 2. If it is 3 by 3, it must be 3 by 3 minus 3 by 3. Shey you understand? Or if it is 2 by 3, it must be 2 by 3 minus 2 by 3. So it must not be different if it's addition and subtraction. But matrix multiplication can be done even when they are not having the same number of rows and column. Now let's go. When you are multiplying matrices, you go in form of 7. In the direction of 7, we call it 7. We call it 7. You be going in 7 direction. What do I mean? This will multiply this. 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 You see that we are going in 7 direction. This will multiply this. This will multiply this. This will multiply this. This will multiply. So that's how you'll be doing. You'll be going in 7 direction. I hope you understand now. So now let's go. What do we now have? We have. So let's start with the first one. That's 1 multiplied by what? 1 multiplied by 2. So you always add it plus. 1 will go for this. This will go for this. This will go for this. That's in 7 direction. 1 multiplied by 2 minus 2 multiplied by minus 1. Then 1 multiplied by 2. You have to add it to its plus. You always put plus sign. 1 multiplied by 2. So you are done for this first row, first column. So let's go again. This will multiply this. This will multiply this. This will multiply this. This will multiply this. So let's go. So what do we have? We have 1 multiplied by 0 plus minus 2 multiplied by 3. This is minus 2. Minus 2 multiplied by 3. Then plus 1 multiplied by 0. So you go for the next thing again, for the next column. So that will be 1 multiplied by 1 plus minus 2 multiplied by 2 plus 1 multiplied by 3, right? So let's go again. 0 multiplied by 2. So we'll go 0 multiplied by 2 plus 1 multiplied by, this will go for this, 1 multiplied by minus 1 plus this will go for this, 0 multiplied by 2, right? So let's go again. 0 will go for this, 0 multiplied by 0 plus this will go for this, 1 multiplied by 3 plus this will go for this, right? Sorry, this will go for this, then 0 multiplied by 0. So let's go for the last column. This will go for this, that will be 0 multiplied by 1 plus this will go for this, 1 multiplied by 2. You see that it's not easy. Then this will go for 0 multiplied by 3. So for the last one, this will go for this, so that will be 1 multiplied by 2. This will go for this plus 3 multiplied by minus 1 plus this will go for this, 2 multiplied by 2. So let's go. 1 multiplied by 0 plus 3 multiplied by 3 plus 2 multiplied by 0. So for the last one, 1 multiplied by 1 plus 3 multiplied by 2, right? Then plus 2 multiplied by 3. So this is how you do it. So you must make sure there's space in between them. Or don't mix them up together. Don't squeeze them up together. So see, it's not easy. Please share this video now as you are seeing it. Share and like. Please. You see that it's not easy. So 1 multiplied by 2 is what? 2. Then we put this plus. Let's do step by step. Plus minus 2 multiplied by minus 1. That's 2, right? Minus 2 multiplied by minus 1 will give us plus 2. Then plus 1 multiplied by 2 is what? 2. So let's come for this. 1 multiplied by 0, 0. We'll put the plus. Minus 2 multiplied by 3. Minus 2 multiplied by 3 is what? Minus 6. Put inside bracket. Plus 1 multiplied by 0, 0. 1 multiplied by 1, 1. Plus, we'll put the plus. Right? So we're doing it step by step. Minus 2 multiplied by 2, minus 4. Then plus 1 multiplied by 3 is 3. Let's come. 0 multiplied by 2, 0. We'll put the plus. 1 multiplied by minus 1, that's minus 1. Then plus 0 multiplied by 2 is 0. 0 multiplied by 0, 0. Plus 1 multiplied by 3, 3. 0 multiplied by 0, 0. 0 multiplied by 1, 0. 1 multiplied by 2 and 0 multiplied by 3. 1 multiplied by 2 plus, this is the plus. 3 multiplied by minus 1, minus 3. Then plus 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. 1 multiplied by 0 is 0. 3 multiplied by 3 is 9. Then 2 multiplied by 0 is 0. 1 multiplied by 1 is 1. 3 multiplied by 2, 6. 2 multiplied by 3, 6. Do we get? So now what will be our final answer? So you now say our AB will now be equals to 2 plus 2. Okay, let's open the bracket. Can we do that? Okay, let's just add it up direct, right? Should we just add it up direct, or I should just squeeze it here? Let me squeeze it here. That will be 2 plus 2 plus 2, right? Here will be 0. Plus times minus is what? Minus 6 plus 0. Here will be what? 1. Plus times minus is what? Minus 4 plus 3. So here will be what? 0. Plus times minus is minus 1 plus 0. So here will be what? 0 plus 3 plus 0. While here will be 0 plus 2 plus 0. So here will be what? 2 plus times minus is what? Minus 3 plus 4. So here will be 0 plus 9 plus 0. While here will be 1 plus 6 plus 6. Right? So now 2 plus 2 plus 2, that will give us what? 6, right? 0 minus 6 minus 6 minus 6 plus 0, that's minus 6. 1 minus 4 will give us what? Minus 3. Minus 3 plus 3 is 0. 0 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 plus 0 minus 1. 0 plus 3, 3. 3 plus 0 is 3, right? 0 plus 2, 2, 2 plus 0, 2. 2 minus 3, that's what? Minus 1. Minus 1 plus 4, that will give us what? 3, right? That will give us 3. 0 plus 9, 9. 9 plus 0, 9. 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 6, 13. And this is how we get A, B. So this is how we get A, B. So do you understand it now? I hope you understand. So if you don't understand, send me a direct message now. Send me a direct message now. I will always respond. You understand? I will always respond to your message. So send me a direct message now. If you don't understand, I'm willing to explain more better to you. Or click on my bio. You see my WhatsApp number there. Chat me up. Or another option is watch the video over again. Thank you.